2017 was a great year. I traveled, met amazing people, and spent time with family. I've learned so much over this year. I've grown so much in my photography and videography. Life is too short to live an unhappy life. Be thankful, make it count, and live with no regrets. This is my year 2017.
Deep inside, there is this feeling growing. I feel the worst, tears running down my face. Make it stop, the world is driving me crazy. I need a light in the dark. I can't take voices stuck in my head, screaming loud, telling 1,000 lies. Others shine bright, seems like they know the light, seems like they know the light. I take the chance, dancing this one last dance. Meet you where all our dreams come true. I want to shine bright, I'm ready to cross the line. Show me the light in the dark. Now I really know what I need. If I without it so, it's so bittersweet.